guys, welcome to another show on Sure Gold, sponsored by Goldmine Aroma. Guys, today what we are about to make is cheesy beef potato. That's what my son called it. Yes, where you mix the potato with some beef and I put cheese on it and make it as a snack. So you can lace it with any veggies, you know, your veggies, any veggies you like. So I'm going to do spring onion, you know, and that's just it. And I won't forget my Goldmine Aroma. So with Goldmine Aroma, what we're doing now is the fried rice mix, guys. I'll boil my potato. I'll boil my potato. I will fry my minced meat. Then I'll put it together and put my whatever condiments and sauces I want to do. So I'm going to put a little dried blended pepper on it. Let me if you can wait a minute. Yes, guys. So you roll this. You roll it in breadcrumbs. This is breadcrumbs. This is egg white. Roll it in egg white and breadcrumbs and fry. Alright guys, the beefy cheesy potato is ready, guys, and this is the ideal nice snacks, you know. Thank you guys. We always put every details on the description below, you know. So guys, follow us now, like and share, so that we can always bring a nice content to you every now and then. Please give us a call. Till we see you again. Thank you very much. We love you. Bye.